Hello friends, welcome back, and this is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video I'm just continuing the mini project part 3. I already showed you how to use ViewState and create a dynamic data set and use the data set to populate the grid view, and I shown you how to use panel and how to add a few controls as I shown you here, how to populate few fields like first name, some customer details. So now I will show you how to use GridView to show um, one or more customer details at a time. So let's go to the design mode. And add a grid control. Let me drag a grid control. Okay, let's name it as GD customer details. You can directly use this as I shown you in first video. It's look like this. If you directly bind few stem styles like color, width, like that, it will be good. Like I got already few styles. For the time being, I just copy and paste here. Like font names, header back color, font size, like that. Let's go and refresh our page. Now it looks like our panel. So if you want, you just put some gap between the grid and the panel, and let me keep that. We'll keep height of 10 pixels. And let's see how much. Yeah, the panel width is 900, so we will keep the same thing for the grid, so it looks good. So let's go and refresh. Yeah, let's see why it's not coming. 97. Oops. sorry. So we will have some gap between the panel and grid. So by default we are auto generating the columns, like whatever the columns you give, it auto generates and show there. But I won't I don't want few columns. Like when I don't want few columns, you just use auto generate columns false and use few bond fields columns. When you see here, it it is not center. The item thing, the header thing is center, but item style we can put in between the bottom bond field. uh, let's say horizontal align center. Let's take one data field here, like full name. We can put a header also here, header text. So now you will see only full name here. Got it? I will put remaining few columns which I want. Here I'm using all fields right now. If you want, you can remove one field and you can test it. You will see whatever the bond fields you kept here. So when I go and refresh, you will see customer ID, full name, salary, contact number and gender. If you want to add few things, I will show you how to add by entering here, and I will just keep a add button here, so that if you add, automatically it goes to the grid view control. So before that, as I told you, I will show you a edit event in a grid view. Just direct to go to the design mode. Instead of using this edit, I directly showed how to use in the coding side. Directly go to the properties and you will see a row editing event. Just double click on that and the event was ready. Now I will show you how to add an edit. It's a bond field. Let's add a command field. Show edit button, true. So let's go and refresh our page. So you see I edit here. If you click on edit, directly goes to that event. So in this event you can use some code that I will show you. You can directly populate from these fields. For now I'll just show you for text box. Let's see. Now when you click on the edit thing, the Emmanuel will populate in the first name field. So in the same way I'll show you for all the controls. I wrote for salary, contact number, and for the gender. Now we just go to the design, and now click on the edit. You see a male 1 2 3 4 5 6 and Emmanuel from our grid view control. When I click on the edit, I'm just catching the direct data set tables rows of so and so column and putting that text into the text box controls. But if you have multiple records, like if you have so many, like hundreds of records and hundreds of edit buttons, so when you click on the edit you can't write like so many things. So how to use that multiple records and using the edit button, I will show you in the next video. And how to add a new record in your grid view control also I will show you in the next parts. Okay, and we can also update it if you are opening the customer ID 1 record. If you want to update Emmanuel to Mendu, you can update it. I'll show you that also in the next parts. Thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for giving few comments on that. And see you in the next parts. Bye bye.